Guiltless guacamole, also known as guac foam mole, on a protective diet. Avocados are falsely marketed as a magical health food. When we stop eating them, we slim down effortlessly, reduce cholesterol, and improve insulin reception to reverse diabetes. The most effective way to eliminate inflammatory disease and slim down is to eliminate high-fat foods. We receive a perfect balance of healthy fats with the consumption of whole grains, beans, fruit, and vegetables on a protective diet. Avocados are neither essential nor beneficial in order to achieve optimal health, and in fact are counterproductive to achieving a lean body mass. The FDA recommends a serving size of 1/5 an avocado, 1.1 ounce of a medium avocado. That is considerably less than what most people consume on one chip. I encourage you to ditch the high-fat avocado and instead guiltlessly scoop up creamy, protective, avocado-free guacamole with whole grain baked tortilla chips while you read about healthy microbiome food preferences and the Gut Microbiome Population Project. Check it out in the comments on the recipe, part of Protective Diet Education. Join us. Take care and best of health.